खुश रहो। आई जेबीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, प्रोग्राम बीएड, फोर्थ सेमेस्टर, and course is understanding the self, and session of today is religious diversity. So what is religion? Religion can be explained as a set of beliefs concerning the cause, nature and purpose of the universe, especially when considered as the creation of the superhuman agency or agencies, usually involving devotional and ritual observance and often containing a moral code governing the conduct of the human affair. मानवीय मूल्यों को धारण करना और जीवन के उच्चतम आदर्शों को ग्रहण करना ही धर्म है। रिलीजन एंड चॉइस, व्हाई डू वी फॉलो दिस रिलीजन बट नॉट अनदर वन? इज इट द रिजल्ट ऑफ अपब्रिंगिंग ऑफ our choice? Most of us have followed our religion since we remember. It means that it was our parents' decision, which was probably connected with custom in our family. Sometimes we can take this decision by ourselves. For example, when our dad follows Islam, our mom follows Christianity, and they want to wait for the moment when we become mature enough and able to choose. This is the choice of religion. If mother and father is from the different religion, or he gave you the permission to choice according to him. Religious diversity, danger or freedom of choice. Why there are so many religions in the world? It is one of the most popular question. Firstly, everyone has another picture of God. People live in different parts of the world, so they have different custom and beliefs. Sometimes it is the result of the isolation and dispersion. What does such diversity means to us? Does it make our life easier? It depends on our behavior. Religious diversity can mean freedom of choice, but we should be tolerant and open-minded. Choosing religion, there are so many kind of religion. It is a difficult choice for young people who are looking for truth. What can make such a choice easier? Maybe a visit to a country where majority of people profess a different religion, having a friend of another religious culture, or being married to a person who follows a different religion. Expressing our belief. What does it means to express our belief? For most of us, it is praying and celebrating religious festivals. It can also mean respecting and showing religious symbols. Popular religious festival in Poland: Christmas and Easter. Popular religious festival: Sabbath, Azura. Religious structure in Poland is Catholic 89%, Protestant 9%, Buddhism 2%. Religious structure of United Kingdom: Catholic 14%, Protestant 71%, other beliefs is some. So freedom of religion, is there a freedom of religion in Poland? According to our constitution, religion is our private matter and each belief has the same right. Function of religion: many years ago, people with the help of religion were exploring the mysterious nature of the world. Nowadays, religion gives us the sense of security. We do not feel lonely and we may believe in a perfect world about our death. In our opinion, everyone is looking for different things in the religion. Religious diversity. So there are many different religions in the country. To sum up, religious diversity has some advantage and disadvantage, but in our opinion, to teaches us tolerance and let us meet a lot of interesting people. Nowadays, religious diversity is a symbol of the liberty and respect. It proves that we are able to create a better world. So these are the gallery of presentation was made. I think you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.